Installation and use of the High-Bright Remote Monitor. With a 4D video transmitter and High-Bright Remote Monitor, DJI Ronin 4D can achieve multi-channel wireless video transmission for monitoring, playback, and transcription. Installing and activating. 1. Rotate and install 4 antennas to the remote monitor. 2. Slide the DJI WB37 intelligent battery into the compartment on the back of the remote monitor. Press the power button on the left side of the monitor for 1 second to power on. 3. Use the standard USB-A to USB-C cable to connect the remote monitor parameter adjustment port to the computer. Do not power off or disconnect before the activation is done. 4. Run the DJI Assistant 2 Ronin series and choose Ronin 4D. 5. Click Activate on the activation page and follow the steps to activate. Installing the 4D video transmitter. 1. Press the battery release button on the battery compartment to remove the intelligent battery. 2. Remove 2 M4x19 screws and then the battery compartment. 3. Push the 4D video transmitter against the back cover of the main body and tighten up 3 M4 screws on the transmitter. Rotate and install 4 antennas to the video transmitter. 4. Push the battery compartment against the video transmitter and tighten up 2 M4 screws. Insert the battery to the compartment to finish installation. Linking. 1. Go to OcuSync on the menu of the High-Bright main monitor and tap Link Device, or hold the linking button on the video transmitter for 5 seconds to enter linking state. The linking status indicator then blinks red and green alternately. 2. Tap the bottom left corner of the remote monitor to open System Settings. Go to Connection Settings, Control Mode, Control Monitor A, and tap Link to Control Monitor A. With successful linking, the linking indicator on the video transmitter turns solid green. The remote monitor shows current linking status. You can now check the live camera view or control parameters on the remote monitor. Using the remote monitor. Live camera view comes with display and control of all parameters. Besides setting aperture and focusing parameters, you can also use safe area, LUT, exposure assistance, and focusing assistance to facilitate shooting. To ensure stable transmission, you can switch between multiple signal channels. Under auto mode, the system automatically switches the channels according to the interference. You can also manually switch according to your needs under special circumstances. It is recommended to use a stable channel with little interference. You can also set the max bandwidth for video transmission. Auto mode is recommended. Under control mode, you can directly adjust common exposure parameters on the screen. The adjustment will be synchronized to the main body of Ronin 4D and other connected monitors. You can also attach the dedicated remote monitor cage to the hand grip to control focus and gimbal, and start-stop recording remotely. Note that when 2 remote monitors are used for controlling focus and gimbal, respectively, connect to monitor A and then monitor B. Otherwise, monitor A may disconnect. To enable more monitors, go to the home menu on the main monitor, tap OcuSync, and enable broadcast mode. Once the broadcast mode is enabled, it will automatically search for the Ronin 4D that is broadcasting, enabled automatically after connection under control mode. And then you can select and start monitoring. When there are several Ronin 4Ds at different positions in the same scene, you can switch between different cameras. You can also set camera numbers on the main body.